I see the police guys coming and they are urging the shops to be closed. Okay, you can see the police there. Bangalore looks haunted today. Build more hospitals than building all the stupid statues. If you want beds in Bangalore, the hospital bed, please follow this particular process, BBMP process. Namaskara. Ellargu namaskaralu. This is Ashish Matthew. Welcome to another vlog, and this is Saturday, 24th of April, the first day of our weekend curfew, or you can even call it as weekend lockdown. Okay, so it is Saturday morning. We are actually on our way to hospital. I just wanted to show you guys how Bangalore looks in this day. Okay, definitely there are a lot of restrictions today for travel, and remember, okay, I am actually going to hospital to drop my dad, and I have a proper proof, proper reason why I'm actually going. Even if you guys are going out, please do carry a proper, a proof along with you if you're going somewhere out. Okay, if not, definitely the police guys are just waiting to catch you. They can even seize your vehicle. That is what they have said as per the latest news. So on my way to hospital, and we are going to Manipal Hospital where Yediyurappa was actually admitted, and I guess he is discharged. So let's go. Let's see how Bangalore looks during the first day of our curfew. Here we go. So mask all set. So we are actually going to the petrol bunk first. Okay, diesel fill ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and let's see how is the situation there as well. Here we go. Alright, so petrol bunk will reach ಆಗಿದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. Okay, so you can see the petrol bunk is working. It's functioning. Yes, as per the SOP it should work. It is working fine as well. Okay, so there is no restriction anything here. So ಗಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಹೊಡಿಯೋಣ. Okay, let's start. Alright, so we are actually on Ormau main road. Okay, so you can see the crowd is less, and you can see all the essential shops are opened. Vegetable shops, it's 10:10 now. The essential shops are still open. You can see people are standing outside, and also the Udupi, Sagar and all those hotels are open. Hotels can be opened, the takeaway. Okay, so nodi, comparatively the crowd is less. I guess it will be even more strict as the time goes. Okay, let's enter the outer ring road. Here we go. The auto stand ittu outer ring road alli. Auto stand seems to be empty. Road complete ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay, outer ring road, Kasturi Nagar, the main road ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. So yes, from Ramurthy Nagar you take a left. So the road seems to be haunted. So people are actually following the rules. That's great. Entering the tin factory main road. Okay, so you can see how it is. Somebody is breaking the rules. Okay, so we need to take a U-turn here. You can see all the shops here, the right side, everything have been closed. You have the baby shop as well, everything closed. We take a U-turn. Okay, auto drivers not following the rules in this. There are no much rush on the road. The first lockdown, this is the old Madras road. Okay, so they have actually blocked one side of the road. Okay, so we are using the same side for the two ways. The other side has been blocked, probably because of the rules as the lockdown 1, 2 and 3. This is the HL road. Okay, the public is actually following the rules. Good response from the public. HL signal reach agidi ivaga. HL signal. So I'm just giving you a virtual drive of how the Bangalore looks. Okay, the other side is closed because some work is going on. Okay. Alright, so this is the HL road, old airport road. Okay, so I could see a couple of police standing here and there. Okay, but I don't see much checking, but that doesn't mean that there is no checking at all. Okay, so if you are definitely coming out, please do have proper reason, proper proof, okay, why you are going out. If not, if you are caught, they might penalize you. So please. So we are almost reaching the Manipal Hospital. Okay, HL road allo block ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is just made one way. They have added barricade on the other side as well. You can see that. You can see the barricade. Okay, so anybody coming from Dumlur or MG Road, the other side is actually blocked. See, it's clearly visible there. Entering Manipal Hospital now. This is where our CM Yediyurappa was admitted. Okay, second time. Okay, so just entering here. You see here. Okay, definitely a lot of doctors, a lot of patients. just reached. Okay, just because there were no one in the road, we were able to reach here in just 20 or 16 minutes. Yes, almost 16 minutes. Okay. COVID ಇದು vaccination drive ಅಪ್ಪ ಇದು. Okay. So right side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. You can see a lot of patients and their family, friends, family waiting outside. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ PPE kit ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. A lot of people who are actually helping to exit out. Okay. Guys would be confused whether the flyovers are blocked. Okay, flyovers ಏನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಬ್ಯಾರಿಕೇಡ್ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I'm actually from Damlur. I'm directly entering towards Indiranagar 100 feet road. Okay, so there is no barricade on the flyovers. They have not blocked any flyovers as such. Okay, or in my favorite road, that is a 100 feet road. Okay, so you can just see here shops ella close agide. Okay, but it's a two-way road. Okay, so there's no problem. As the last lockdown they had actually closed this side and we had to go through the other side. But here during this first day of a weekend curfew, there is no blockage or barricade kept in any of these roads. Okay, 100 feet road seems to be fine. Okay, it's fully open, but yes, a number of people are less. Okay, and no shopping malls. There are no, see, you can see the Speedo body shop, you can see the digital Reliance Digital, nothing is open. Okay, Chroma ella closed agide. Busy KFC signal. Okay, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಹಾಂಟೆಡ್, ಎಂಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. KFCನೂ ಎಂಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಪೈ ಎಂಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಓಪನ್, ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, can you see KFC signal like this anytime? No ways. Back to the old Madras road. Okay, so I can see an AP SRTC bus going. Okay, so ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾವುದು BMTC buses ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, but as per the government, BMTC buses are allowed for the people who are traveling to and fro to the airport or even the railway station. Okay, so, or bus nildana if you want to go to other states. There is a blockage and you can see the police standing there, and the barricades have been kept here. So we are actually going through the same route. On their side two-way ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, the other side has been blocked. Okay, so that was the first set of police guys I saw now. Okay, they are stopping people who don't have mask. Okay, so and also I could see a lot of cab aggregators like Ola and Uber, because definitely they play a major role today, and also a lot of private vehicles. But BMTC na innu nodilla. Okay, saw one BMTC was going 316G, which goes to in a Majestic. Okay, it's not easy to take the camera and drive, but that's okay, it's all for you guys. Okay, Signature Mall, I'm sorry, I take back my word. That time I said that couple of auto drivers were actually not following the rules. They were coming this way, but yes, even we are also going the same way, mainly because the other side has been blocked. So now I need to take a U-turn in a wrong side so that I enter the outer ring road. Okay, so apologies auto drivers, tumba sorry auto rajas. Outer ring road Big Bazaar almost being closed. Okay, it is almost 11 now. They are supposed to close. Okay, so I guess there are no people inside then too. Yes, so this is the scene of the outer ring road. Okay, so the underpass, and we are about to enter Hormao now. So just a virtual trip for you guys, so that if you're planning to go out, then plan accordingly and have your proper proof why you're going out. Okay, and medical emergency, nobody can stop you. Definitely, as I mentioned in my previous video, you can easily go with the doctor's approval, and then nobody can stop you. Definitely, don't stop for anything. Go ahead. For any kind of a medical emergency, you have to visit hospital as such, or on our way. Okay, these guys stand in Jayanti Nagar, that is Hormao Jayanti Nagar. Okay, so I guess most of the shops are still not closed. As per the rules, they are supposed to close at 10 o'clock, but yes, essential service and first day of a curfew, right? Weekend curfew, could be because of that. I see the police guys coming, and they are urging the shops to be closed. Okay, you can see the police there. They are asking all the shopkeepers to closed. So definitely as the time goes, things are going to be very strict, so do stay at home at all. Okay, please stay at home. Okay, so all the bars are closed. Okay, we can see here bars are closed. Another stock ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ you should have taken it in Friday itself. I have almost reached my home. Okay, that was a virtual trip for all you Bangaloreans out there. If you're planning to go out, if you're planning to go out for any kind of an emergency, then go ahead with proper proof with you. Medical emergency, definitely go without any nobody can stop you. That's what I'm just telling. I'm using the same words. And only if you have any emergency work, please go out. If not, stay at home at all. Okay. And yes, the things are really worst. Things are really bad. One of my close friend lost his father-in-law, and he is actually admitted in hospital. The worst part here is both of these, he and his father-in-law, did not get hospitals. The beds were completely booked. Okay, no hospitals available, and if you get hospital, there is no oxygen cylinders. What is happening in Bangalore, I don't understand. It is really bad. Okay, so I urge government to stop building all the statues, all the temples, rather than build some oxygen plant and even build a lot of hospitals, okay, which will be helpful for people, than building all these useless statues. That is one sincere request from my side. Okay, and on the other side, if you want to get hospitals from the BBMP side, there is a process to be followed. As soon as you give your sample for the COVID test, you will get an SRH number, a 13-digit number and a BU number. Use this number, and then there is a format. I'm just mentioning that on the screen. Write according to this particular format and send it to your department numbers. I'm just mentioning those numbers as well. These are the WhatsApp numbers. Forward it to these guys. They will definitely respond back. BBMP will call you and then allocate hospitals and beds for you. And if suppose it doesn't work, 1912, please call them and then do tell it to them as well. Okay, this is the major process how we follow. Okay, what BBMP has given us standard. If not, then I mean, you literally have to go to or call the private hospitals and check whether the beds are available or not. I don't have any other options to help you out, but this is the main way of doing it. But try this first. Okay, if you're COVID positive, use that BU number, SRH number, and then fill that format, send it to the WhatsApp number I'm just mentioning on the screen. Okay, so that's all. This is Ashish Mathew. Please stay at home. It is not safe. Okay, things are really bad in Bangalore, especially even in India, whole India. Yes, the mortality rate has increased, and the worst part is if you're actually not well, you're getting admitted in hospitals becomes even more worse, and also oxygen cylinders and no, nothing else. I have nothing else to say. So thank you so much, guys. This is Ashish Mathew. Just share this particular video to all your loved ones. Do subscribe, do like. Jai Karnataka Mate, Jai Hind, bye bye.